Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy. This is Lindiorslife and you're back for another one. And today, girlies. So yeah, today we have a quick weave that I'm doing on myself. I haven't done something like this in a very long time. So I literally have to make sure I have all the things. I ordered some new bundles from Amazon. I'll put the vendor in the description box below because honestly, I don't know the name. But I ordered a 2022 24 inch. I don't even know what kind of, don't even know where the hair, who head this came from, I'll be honest. But so far so good. I washed it. It's body wave. It feels nice and thick. I haven't got any shedding. And that's all I can really ask for right now. So yeah, y'all, let's get it started. I'm gonna do the bald cap and everything off camera because that's just a whole bunch of blow drying and sitting. And then we're gonna come back and really start styling, okay? All right, y'all, so the base is down. I just used this Moroccan Argan Weave Wonder Wrap, this thing. And I used a regular wig cap, put it all down. The only thing I forgot was to grease my scalp. I love the girls said make sure you do that or your head's gonna get itchy, but I forgot, so I guess my head's gonna be itchy. But we're gonna move on. So I have the glue and I have the weave and I'm about to get busy. So because it's a side part, I think I'm gonna start like, you know, just do a track here, and then just start swooping them up. Swoop, 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 so we can get like in the face with it. And I think that's gonna make the most sense. But let's see how long this takes. So I started at like 8:30, so now it's 9:35. Let's see how long it takes for me to put all this in my head, okay? So we're first gonna measure. And we're gonna cut. I don't know where to start.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah.
Last bundle.
Okay,
Trying to take me out.
I narrowed down.
And it's only
I think it's
10 o'clock. Oh, so it'll take me an hour.
She also.
How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying?
Okay.
How do you, as a father, think?
I got enough hair. First of all, I don't know. I didn't think I was going to do it, but it's been literally an hour. And I have one little sliver left that I'm going to put a track on. I don't know why I thought this was going to take me longer. Like, I'm a pro. And my tracks are kind of close to each other. Like, better like, book me. Book your girl, Lindy. I want to put a track that starts like right here, that just lands here, but I don't think it'll glue on right. This is going to be my last track of the day. Okay, we're going to mold down my leave out. A new freshener robe, and we're gonna mold down my leave out. Okay, now I gotta let that sit. I'm gonna blow dry it a little bit and then we're gonna come back and style. So, Lego. All right, we're back. This is the molded down hair. I believe it's dry. So next step is to straighten it. Okay, so I'm gonna use this hair wax stick and we're gonna go in with a hot comb. That's our next step. So hair wax stick on the base. Really, we're gonna put this through the full length of the hair. I heat protect it, but I'll just do a little light spray.
I your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last
I'm chewing it, I fear I'm really chewing it. Okay, y'all. Now that is done, my leave out is nice and flat and greasy as hell, but flat. The only thing left to do is to style.
Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Brother get the pack and keep it over. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rappers too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look bro, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the roots on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind the years. I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom.
Anyways, this is the hairstyle. This is the hairdo. My hair is done. Are we proud? Okay, y'all. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. If you got to the end of the video, thank you for watching my quick weave install, and I'm gonna see y'all next time. Bye.